Hello, my name is Toshioku A from Gastrointestinal Endoscopy and Medicine at Hiroshima University Hospital in Japan. Today, I would like to share our recently published article from the EPOC trial in gut titled Prophylactic Clip Closure After Endoscopic Submucosal Dissection of Large Flat and Sessile Colorectal Polyps, a multicentre randomised controlled trial. Hiroshima is my hometown, located in western Japan. It's well known for two UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The first is Itsukushima Shrine on Miyajima, famous for its floating torii gate and scenic coastal landscape. The second is Atomic Bomb Dome, preserved as a symbol of peace and remembrance. From this region, our team conducted the EPOC trial to improve the safety and quality of colorectal ESD. Now, I would like to introduce the key findings from the study. Delayed bleeding is one of the most important adverse events after colorectal ESD. In EMR, multiple randomized trials have shown that clip closure can reduce delayed bleeding, particularly for large proximal lesions. However, for colorectal ESD, the evidence has been limited, and no randomized control trial had evaluated delayed bleeding as a primary endpoint. To answer this question, we conducted a multicentre randomized controlled trial across 4 Japanese institutions. We enrolled 299 patients undergoing colorectal ESD for 20 to 50 mm flat or sessile lesions. The primary endpoint was the delayed bleeding rate 30 days post-procedure. After ESD, patients were randomly assigned to either prophylactic clip closure or no closure of the mucosal defect. This design allowed us to evaluate the true preventive effect of clip closure through high-quality evidence. In the intention to treat analysis, overall delayed bleeding occurred in 6.7% of patients in the closure group, compared with 20.1% in the non-closure group. Severe bleeding requiring endoscopic hemostasis occurred in 1.3% versus 8.7% respectively. This multicenter RCT clearly showed that the delayed bleeding rate was significantly lower in the clip closure group compared with the non-closure group. These results were consistent in the per-protocol analysis as well. This trial provides the first randomized controlled evidence that clip closure significantly reduces delayed bleeding after colorectal ESD. Based on these findings, prophylactic clip closure should be recommended following colorectal ESD. This approach can help standardize post-ESD management and improve the overall safety of colorectal ESD in clinical practice. We hope that these results will support endoscopists worldwide in reducing bleeding-related adverse events.
Before closing, I would like to share a part of Hiroshima. Our local society open reaction.
To read the full article and explore the details of the EPOC trial, please scan this QR code or visit the GUT website. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time in Hiroshima.